Hey guys, in today's video we will be talking about how to unblock someone on Depop. Watch until the end of the video to learn all you need to know. Sometimes we accidentally block someone while using and transacting on the e-commerce site. Fortunately, the process to reverse this action is straightforward. Here is how to easily unblock a user on the platform. First, go to www.depop.com and log in. The link is in the description. Alternatively, you can launch the Depop app on your device. Once you have logged in with your account details, search for the blocked person's username. When the "You cannot see this profile" pop-up bubble appears, click on the options and select Unblock. If you follow these steps and the unblock feature is unavailable, it means the user has likely blocked you back. In this case, you will not be able to access their account. The best you can do is use another Depop account to try to contact the individual. And there you have it. Simply follow these instructions to remove someone from your Depop blocked list. Thanks for watching.